Hey everyone, welcome back to Delta Edge. Today we're diving into the top 8 penny stocks with huge potential. These stocks are low in price but high in potential returns. Stick around till the end for a special surprise worth rupees 21,000. Let's get started. Penny stocks are risky, high risk, high reward. We're going to break down these companies and see if they're worth your hard-earned rupees. Alright, let's jump right in. First up, we've got GTL Limited, trading at 15 rupees and 7 paise with an 8.18% increase today. This company's been making waves in the telecom infrastructure sector. India's on the verge of a massive 5G rollout, and GTL is right in the thick of it. They're building the towers, laying the fiber optic cables, the whole 9 yards. GTL's got a market cap of just under 10,000 crores. Compared to giants like Airtel or Jio, that's tiny, but it means huge potential for growth. If GTL can capitalize on this 5G boom, we could see this stock absolutely explode. Of course, there are risks. Competition is fierce, and GTL has its fair share of debt. Check out GTL's financials in the description below and see if this company aligns with your investment goals. Next, we're talking Aksh Optifiber, priced at 9 rupees and 67 paise with a solid 3.98% rise today. These guys are all about fiber optic cables, the backbone of India's internet revolution. With data consumption skyrocketing and the government pushing for high-speed internet, Aksh is in a prime position to profit. Every time someone streams a movie or attends a Zoom meeting, it requires massive data transmission thanks to Aksh Optifiber. They're nimble, agile, and focused on capitalizing on this massive growth opportunity. Do your due diligence and see if Aksh aligns with your investment strategy. Up next is Vikas Ecotech, trading at 3 rupees and 91 paise with a healthy 2.36% gain today. They're in the chemicals industry, but with a twist: sustainability. Vikas Ecotech develops eco-friendly alternatives to traditional chemicals. We're talking biodegradable plastics, environmentally friendly additives, and sustainable solutions for textiles. As the world focuses on sustainability, Vikas Ecotech is well positioned to capitalize on this growing demand. The chemicals industry can be volatile, but their focus on sustainability gives them a unique edge. If you're looking for a penny stock with a strong ethical foundation and potential for significant returns, Vikas Ecotech is worth adding to your watch list. Now let's talk about Supreme Engineering, trading at 2 rupees and 12 paise with a slow but steady 1.92% rise. This company's been around for a while, involved in engineering, procurement, and construction. They've worked on major infrastructure projects across India. Supreme Engineering has faced challenges like project delays and cost overruns, but is taking steps to address these issues. With the Indian government investing heavily in infrastructure, Supreme Engineering is well positioned to benefit. Their track record of completing large-scale projects gives them an edge in securing new contracts. Investing in a company with a history of delays carries risks, but if they can turn things around, we could see significant upside potential. Keep an eye on Supreme Engineering. Back in the telecom space, we've got GTL Infrastructure, trading at 2 rupees and 81 paise with a 1.44% increase. This company is related to GTL Limited but operates separately. GTL Infrastructure focuses on owning and leasing telecom towers to mobile network operators. With the 5G rollout in India, GTL Infrastructure is a major beneficiary. They have a vast portfolio of towers strategically located across the country. GTL Infrastructure has significant debt, but their strong market position makes them a compelling penny stock. If you believe in the long-term growth of India's telecom sector, GTL Infrastructure is worth considering. Moving on, we've got Vikas Lifecare, priced at rupees 5.12 with a respectable 1.19% gain. This company is all about sustainable and innovative products across various industries. They focus on products that promote a healthier and more sustainable lifestyle. like organic fertilizers and essential drugs. Vicus Lifecare is a relatively small player, but their commitment to innovation and sustainability gives them a unique edge. If you're looking for a company aligned with your values and with the potential to disrupt multiple sectors, Vicus Lifecare is worth a closer look. Check them out and see if they fit your investment strategy. Next up is City Networks, trading at rupees 0.91 with a 1.11% rise. This company's been through tough times in the media and entertainment industry. However, City Networks is adapting by investing in broadband infrastructure and partnering with OTT platforms. Competition is fierce, but City Networks has a loyal customer base in certain regions. Investing in a turnaround story like City Networks is risky, but if they can capitalize on the growing demand for high-speed internet, there could be significant upside potential. Keep an eye on City Networks. Finally, we've got Reliance Home Finance, priced at rupees 4.04, showing resilience with a 1% increase. This company's faced liquidity challenges but is restructuring and focusing on debt reduction. The demand for housing finance in India remains strong, driven by a growing middle class. Reliance Home Finance, with its established brand name, is well positioned to capitalize on this demand. Investing in a company recovering from financial difficulties comes with risks, but if they continue on their path to recovery, we could see a significant rebound in their stock price. Check out Reliance Home Finance. Remember, if you've watched this far, you're eligible for a special surprise worth rupees 21,000. Just subscribe, send a screenshot to WhatsApp at 911-3211-787 and you'll receive 5 financial calculators free. Plus, our How to Automate Trades course, usually priced at rupees 7,000, is available for only rupees 99. Check the link in the description. So there you have it, the top 8 penny stocks with huge potential. Make sure to do your research before investing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates. See you in the next video.